Hello, this is the first short video that tells you how to prepare your laptop for the assignment tool. So this is step one, and video is followed by two other videos. First, go to Canvas, and on Canvas you should see a tile Tooling and Components. If you don't have this tile, go to the lecturer, because then we have to update your settings for Canvas. So go to Tooling and Components, and then to the Documents, and here you see install Matlab from Fontes IT, and you see a prepare laptop for the assignment tool. Well, if you open that one, install Matlab from IT, then you have another link which is here, and that link opens another site. That's that one, and as you can see, everything is described below here, how you get your Matlab software on your laptop. You have to create an account on the MathWorks website, and you have a license code that's mentioned in this line, and you have to install, follow the installation instructions below. So that's regarding installation. However, take into account a few other things. I'll go back to tooling, and here you see that we prepared a small document. Read that first, please. It's very small. It tells you where to go to, but the most important thing is this. When you start the installation, do not forget to check Matlab and Simulink here. That should be installed in your system. And also use the A version. So depending on the installation year, you will find here, for instance, 2023, 2024, 2025, etc. A. So do not install the B version, because we have not supported it, or it's not available yet at the moment that you have to install it. Well, those are the most important instructions. So use Tooling and Components. Use the upper link here to go to the site so that you can install Matlab, and read preparing your laptop for the assignment tool document here. Thank you, and until the next video.